I lost all my coins and all my points on hamster combat, and that's why I am trying to recover everything now. Not even only hamster combat, I lost every of the points I've accumulated on all the airdrops on Telegram. And that is why in this video I want to just give you the caution and tell you everything you have to avoid so that you are not going to make the same mistake that I made. Okay, so this in order for you to take these updates, these airdrops very serious, I will advise you create two Telegram accounts. You know, these days Telegram is becoming very strict. So therefore, you ought to tighten up your activities. Create two different accounts. The first account that you are going to create on Telegram, make sure you are going to be using that one only for airdrops to mine. You know, just use it for your tap activities. And then the second account should be an account where you are going to be using to communicate with people. Okay, because there was something that happened before I happened to get banned on that Telegram. Just forget about using hate speech or using abusive words on Telegram. That alone is enough for them to ban your account. But this was actually what happened. There was somebody that there was an old friend that I had contacts with, or I communicated with some years ago on WhatsApp. We had a business. So recently, the guy actually joined Telegram, and the guy is not even from Nigeria because I myself am from Nigeria. The guy is from China. So recently, he joined Telegram. So as he joined Telegram, and immediately I used my account that I used in running these airdrops to send him a message. I just said hello, and immediately I said hello, automatically I was locked out and banned. Okay, so I just wanted to explain something. I later used another account, another of my Telegram accounts, which I don't use to chat. I don't usually use that account. I used it to chat the guy, and I explained everything. He was happy that we communicated again. And later on, I told him I was the one that messaged him some moments back. So he was like, "Oh, he didn't know." I didn't know that he already reported. See, if somebody messages you on Telegram, just check at the top, either the top right corner. You are going to see something like block user. Once you click on it, block, they are going to see block and report, because that activity is taken as spam. So it seems I was the only person that saved his line, but he didn't save my own. Okay, so it's as good as it's a spam, and Telegram took it as a spam, and then he reported me because he didn't know who I was, and automatically my line was banned. And Telegram has one of the worst support support services, because their customer support is very bad. So even if you happen to report and tell them you didn't do anything, before they are going to release that your account is going to take much time. It's going to take much time, months. It's going to take many months. And after them unbanning your account, any of your chat history automatically is being cleared. You don't have any chat history again. Okay, so make sure, if you want to take it serious, make sure you are going to have two Telegram accounts. Even if possible, have three. One that you are going to be using to do your airdrops. Make sure you are not going to use it to chat anybody. And then make sure that you are also not going to use it to reply anybody. And then thirdly, make sure you activate two-factor authenticator on that account. So in that way, you are going to be safe. You are going to be safe from any of these problems, because I don't lose everything, like over 70 million coins on hamster. I've lost it, and it has been few days now. If to say it was still around, I know I should have been accumulating up to 100 and something million coins right now. But you can see right now, I am just trying to recover from the damage. So just make sure you are going to abide by all this. Even if you're a YouTuber or maybe you have a community somewhere, have two accounts, one that you are going to be using to do or to run the airdrops, and then the second one is the one that you are going to, that's people can use to contact you. So when they contact you, when you talk with them, then if you want to send your link, you head over to the other Telegram, get the link and send it. Okay, because Telegram is very, very strict these days, like very, very strict. And another thing, make sure you don't use hate speech. Anything hate speech, make sure you clear it from your way, because once you, it's not Telegram is not like WhatsApp. That's just what you have to know. It's not like WhatsApp. Immediately you use a hate speech, automatically you get banned, because their bot is programmed to do so. So make sure you are just going to be free from all this problem. Now I'm just trying to recover. So if you are just coming on board, you're welcome. This is my YouTube channel. You can go ahead, write some subscribe and turn on the notification. You can also join my social handles on via the links on the description. Then if you haven't started Hamster Kombat, you can also check the description section. You are going to see my link there. You can click on it and register. Okay, so that is all I have to tell you in this video. Make sure you take this correction, take this very, very serious, because it's a very serious issue. I know many people have lost their coins due to this incident or this misfortune. So just make sure you are just going to comport yourself. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video.